If you want to see how simple it was to blow dry and style my hair, then go ahead and keep watching. I'm so excited to be trying out this multi-styler by the brand Okaydeer. But first and foremost, I'd like to thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So today I'm going to be opening up this product. I will show you everything that comes in your box once you order this product. And I will also be testing it out on my hair. As you can see, my hair currently is a little bit air dry. It's a bit damp. So I'm excited to put this to the test, show you all the different nozzles that are included, and trying them out for myself. Let's go ahead and open this up. The packaging is actually quite nice. It's in a little box like this. Wow. It comes with its own styling bag. So everything is inside this little beige bag. As you can see, super nice, super portable. I think this is perfect if you are traveling, you're on the go, or if you want to simply have somewhere to put this away once you're done using it. You also get your instruction manual. So this is just your styling guide and instructions. So it shows you all of what is in the box. It shows you every single button, the assembly, the disassembly, what each individual hairstyling tool is used for, the air recommendations, the temperature recommendations. So especially if you're a beginner and you don't know exactly how to use this air styler, I think it is super neat that the instructions are included and it walks you step by step. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. This is really, really nice. I like the way that it's already pre-packaged. So it kind of already lets you know how to put it back. And it even has this little hook so you could actually hang it on to the door. Super cool. All right, so first we have the diffuser right here. This is curl defining diffuser. So when you are blow drying your hair, you want to just go ahead and scrunch the hair up with this one. I love the color, the pink color. This is the hair dryer nozzle. Now right here you have the volumizing brush. As you can see, it has the bristles. Nice round brush. This right here is the smoothing brush. So take a look at those bristles right there. Now, this is the main component. So this is the one that you will use to go ahead and individually attach each of the nozzles by simply clicking them into place. And I will give you a close-up. It does have a lock and unlock. So you want to make sure that you lock it into place. Now it does come with a heat protectant glove. Here are 2 clips. You also get 2 clips to go ahead and help you separate your hair as you're styling it. Okay, and it does have a little warning here. It just states do not touch the barrel with your hands as you're using it or afterwards because it is going to be hot. So it's just kind of a pre-warning to make sure that you do not touch this barrel once you start using the product, and you want to make sure that you remove that before you start using it. But here you have a left and a right hair wrap curler. So these are going to be what you're going to use to go ahead and curl your hair, but all of them have this pink accent. All right, so let's go ahead and get this plugged up. Has a little silicone holder. The cord is pink. All right, so I'm going to show you the front of this. On the top side here, as you can see, this is your speed. So you have that 1 speed or that 2 speed. Here is your power button. So you want to go ahead and long press this, hold this to go ahead and turn on and off. And then you do have 3 temperatures. All right, so let's go ahead and try it out. What I want to do is blow dry my hair a little bit. I will be using this nozzle right here, which is your regular hair dryer. After that, I will try out the volumizing brush just to see how it works. And finally, I will be trying the wrap curlers to see how my hair fully turns out. I'm going to go ahead and use the clips to separate my hair. Now to detach, you just want to go ahead and press down on this right here and take it apart. And to attach, you want to just go ahead and align that and lock it into place. So you could see it dried up my hair nicely. It added that nice volume, that shine. All right, so now let's go ahead and try the wrap curlers. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Now, in order to know what direction it is going to style your hair in, it has that arrow. So it's going to style your hair towards the right side of your head. And this one right here will go ahead and style your hair to the left side of your head. So I'm going to go ahead and detach this one right here, just like that. and snap this one into place. Okay, I'm going to show you what that looks like from this front side of my hair. And I do want the curls to go towards the left side of my head. So I did apply the left handle. Just like that, the hair starts wrapping onto the curler. It does a great job on grasping on to the hair. Look at how fast and easy that was to get these curls within seconds. So what this is doing, it's actually blow drying and styling my hair at the same time. What you want to do is you want to grab about an inch of hair, and the blow dryer will automatically pick it up as it is in front of it. Go ahead and turn it on. And it's going to start wrapping by itself. And what you want to do is spin it slightly. And you can go ahead and just pull away a little bit like this. Give it a few seconds and release. Look at that. Nice bouncy curls. Take a look at those curls. It was super simple. I'm going to go ahead and do the right side of my hair now. And to do that, I just want to simply detach this one right here, press it down, pull it off. Now be careful to not touch this part because it is going to be a little bit warm since you've been using it. Gonna brush out those curls, but look at how easy that was to style and to blow dry my hair. I'm quite impressed on how simple it is to do, how easy it wraps around my hair. I've owned some in the past that do not wrap as good around my hair. My hair is flying all over the place. So I do like that this one immediately attaches my hair to it. And as you're using it, if you like to help it, you want to just go ahead and spin it in the direction that you want that curl to go. But this is doing an amazing job. And you also don't want to hold it for a very long time, about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, take a look at that. I've officially finished blow drying and styling my full head of hair. And I could honestly say I am very impressed with this multi-styler. Super easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. I love that it styles and dries your hair at the same time. But not only that, look at the volume it gave me. Those curls, they're staying in place. And the fact that there's so many tools to use, like these wrap curlers, this volumizing brush, this diffuser, and this smoothing brush. So if you've been on the lookout for a hair tool that does it all, styles and dries your hair, and you could use it in a variety of ways, or if you're looking for the perfect gift, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.